of camping.co.uk, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a broken tent pole section. First of all, you need the tent pole that you're replacing the other one with, and a variety of tent poles are available from our website, so it's a very good idea to bring a selection of them with you to the campsite. If you haven't and you're stuck, then you can always phone us and we will try and post them to you as soon as we can. Second of all, to adjust the length, you need a hacksaw, and then to smooth the edges out a bit, you can bring some sandpaper. A pair of safety goggles to protect your eyes, and a pair of scissors is always good to bring with you. So these are my tent poles laid out, and the first thing you need to do is to identify the broken one, which is represented by this grey one in the middle. Then you separate it from the poles on one side, and to make sure those poles stay in place when you remove the broken ones and the one on the other side, you make a knot. Then when you have this knot, the next step is to remove the knot on the opposite end of the poles. Make sure that you keep the poles in the right order and then remove the one that you're going to replace. Before you replace the pole, you need to make sure they're the same size. So if you put the new pole end to end, you'll see if they're the same size or not. If they're not, then you get your hacksaw and your safety goggles to adjust the size. Then after you cut the pole off, you may want to use the sandpaper to remove any sharp edges. After this, what you want to do is you want to rethread the pole again. So you take the thread and push it through the hole. When the thread comes out the other side, you just push it to the side and start with the other ones. Then when all your poles are connected, you secure them with a knot. After that, the only thing you need to do is undo the safety knots and put them together, and you're done.